Hi, Jai Kiran. Hi, Vikas. Long time no see in Instagram. Hello, hello Sandeep. Hello, mystery traveler. You been busy now, Vikas? In lockdown. No see in Instagram. Um, Today's topic will be the part 2 of skin management, skin care, skin health. Yes. Sahi. Hello, Sahi. Hello, Akriti. Hello. Hi, Supriya. Yes.
Oh,
Hi,
hi.
Anu. How was your day?
Yeah, it was good. Yours?
Mine is super duper. I'm I'm happy. And
Yes.
let's wait for 2 more minutes. Let people join. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Am I audible? Voice
Yes,
is
yes.
clear?
Mine?
Yes, it's absolutely fine.
Yeah, it's raining, but still, network is cooperating with us. Had your dinner?
Yes, almost.
Almost, yes. I
Yeah,
also
almost.
had very light food, light dinner
Yes.
today. It's not just dinner, it's like snack cum dinner.
Oh, that's great.
Hello, Divya Ramesh. Many will be many are new for me, so I am saying hi, hi, hi.
Yes. Let's start, is it? Or we'll wait for 2 more minutes?
Yes, 2 more minutes will wait so that let people join. Hi, Anjali. Hi, Sagar.
Hello, Anjali.
All are busy, I guess. This timing.
Maybe.
Sagar. Hi. Hi, Naveen. Hi, guys. Hello,
Hello,
Anjali.
hello.
Can you see the title for this live?
Yes, skincare management, it was there.
I thought by people will know, right? So topic.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh guys, come on, join soon.
Yeah, they
Hey
are
Saga,
on the way.
somebody. Sagar, let everyone join this, no? Waiting for your cures. Yes, Anjali, we are also waiting for management
Very
topic.
excited to
Yes.
see you.
Yeah,
Yes.
excited. And first of all, tends to take the session today. I don't know why. Keep
Because you are
rocking.
very happy. Super duper happy,
Maybe.
huh?
Yeah. Maybe. All good news today.
Yes.
Yes, 3 more minutes will start and
Fine, fine, fine.
two
That's
more minutes will wait. Cool, guys. We are with you. Yeah. Thank you so
always.
much.
Yes.
Swapna. Hi, Swapna. Birthday girl.
Belated wishes to her.
Yeah. We wished already.
Yes.
Hi, Harsha. Hi, Sanjani, Arutla ma'am. Because you are elder than me. I know. Yes.
Shall we
Swapna
start?
party, Swapna. Yeah, let's start. I
Once
was
we
in
meet
that
at
mood.
6, he'll give us party. That's okay.
Um, Good evening, everyone. Many of you all know me. If anybody is there who don't know us, I am Dr. Srivikasini Mohan, and who is with me is Dr. Anupallami. We are going to deal with part 2 of skin management today, skincare health. And yesterday, what we spoke is about why skin health is important, like why you need to uh, have skin care, not only face, all over your skin, and what skin functions, and what which all elements need to be added in your foods. Then we didn't speak about separate food, but just generalized food things we said. Then what is the relationship between gut and skin, we said. So today, just I'm briefing out what we spoke yesterday, is that gut and skin, and skin, already functions everything we spoke yesterday. And gut and skin management, like relation between gut and skin, it is highly important that gut health is necessary for skin management also. Why means, gut itself has, gut means intestine. Yeah. Whoever don't know, like, gut means intestine, and gut is considered as second brain. Brain should get signals from all over the body, and gut sends the signals, most of the signals, for all over maintenance of immune system and functioning of your body. So gut is really important, and gut health is really important. For maintaining the gut health, what you need to give is nutrients, means all balanced food, that carbohydrates, proteins, nutrients, vitamins, minerals, everything you need to be balanced, not a single thing you need, either, till now, either one thing you're giving in dominance, or you're not giving properly. So everywhere, wherever you see any doctors or any medical workers, health workers, they will tell, like, eat balanced diet. The balanced diet, in the sense, your diet should contain carbohydrate, your diet should contain protein, mineral, vitamin, everything. in equal amounts or in the whole day, not in the one meal, but in the whole day you need to consume. And why I am saying is, for maintaining the immune system, better immune system, gut needs nutrients. For maintaining or balancing the aging process, gut needs nutrients. For balancing your functions, like all over the functioning of the body, gut needs immune system. Gut needs nutrients. Why gut needs nutrients, not body, means gut is the gateway for immune system. For boosting immune system, gut is the only one way. See, now in during corona or COVID times also, everyone are asked to eat good food, healthy food. Why? Your gut is the gateway for your boosting of immune system. Not just doing yoga practice, your immune system boost. Yes, that is also one of the reason. But eating good food is highly important. And as I release the checklist, how many of you checked? I don't know. The gut symptoms are, see, the normal functioning of the gut is when you eat, it will get digested and the waste matter should come out. So what happens if the gut is not getting proper food? The waste matter won't go out. It will be some difficulty will be there. That is considered as constipation. If it is not happening, it will regurgitate. When it regurgitate upside to the process of skin, it should reach till skin, right? By in the process of reaching to the skin, it will give bloating, burping. These all symptoms which we spoke yesterday. And health symptoms also we spoke, like headaches. Frequently you're getting headaches, or thinking process, foggy thinking process, in the sense how fog looks, no
Won't
clarity.
be that clear.
Yeah, so that same way your thinking process will be without any clarity. So decision making will get abrupted. Then when decision making is done, yes, Gaia, we alone will face that. Yes, and low energy. We are not speaking about after attaining some 60 or 70 or 80. That time you're getting joint pains, low energy is fine, but that is physiology. That is the natural process in the cycle of death and birth and death. Yeah, every time mood swings, you're shouting on somebody, no matter what, that is considered that your intake is bad. Then weight gain, you are eating very little but you're putting on weight, so absorption is not happening. So skin will help in the absorption and rejuvenation. Yes. And skin symptoms. What skin symptoms? I spoke about health symptoms and gut symptoms. What skin symptoms? Yeah, breakouts. You'll get some, how on the road you will get holes, like that you will get on your skin. Yeah, dark circles and skin conditions like dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, these all. Facial puffiness, then pigmentation, then premature aging. Means at the age of 18, if somebody says like you look like 30, 31, you will feel bad, right? So it's not that you're matured. Maturity is different from looking old. So make a note that maturity is different from looking old. Then rashes, then eye bags, big eye bags. These are the things. And some will have intolerances with the food. That also you need to check. And what vegetables will do or fruits will do, we'll see. Vegetables have a rich amount of antioxidants. Those antioxidants will help you to come out, help you to have a better absorption. Like whatever you eat, it is getting absorbed and you're getting energy, proper energy, and you're not putting on just false weight or false fat in what we say, fat is not consumed Arey yaar, what is that?
Relax. Doesn't help
Fat
you
is not accumulated inside your body. False fat is not accumulated inside your body.
It doesn't
Sorry.
increase your
And
weight abruptly. Continue.
And antioxidants are rich in what foods we will see. Most of it are berries, green tea, these all things, and highly colored foods like dark colored foods. Yeah, color combinations also you need to see, and phytonutrients will be present in vegetables the more amount. And what happens, until and unless you cook the vegetables, phytonutrients will be present in more. The less you cook, the more phytonutrients. The more you cook vegetables, the least phytonutrients. So these phytonutrients will help for aging process or wrinkles, removing the wrinkles, acne, pimples, these all things. So when you don't when you have a balance in your aging process, this wrinkles or this pimples, acne doesn't happen. So eating raw is better than overcooking or cooking. Cooking is fine. I don't say cooking is not bad. Cooking is fine, but we are habituated of in the taste of spices, not the vegetables. You don't like vegetable. The dominancy factor is of masala or spiciness. Okay, those things are dominating, and you don't. You were overcooking the vegetables. That is bad. So phytonutrients you're not getting. So you are end up with wrinkles or lines or these all things. Okay. Then for boosting your immune system and getting healthier skin, better you cook or boil and steam. Yeah, coming to the legumes and lentils, all cereals, pulses will have all fiber rich, then magnesium and protein and nutrients will be there, all vitamins, iron, magnesium, zinc will be there. So those consumption also it's important. Then if any non-vegetarians over here, you can have fish for getting beautiful face without any um, puffiness or anything. And that is also contains polysaturated fatty acids, so that will help. And that intake of fish also reduces the risk of arthritis or cardiovascular diseases. In the sense, not fish, the protein which is present inside the fish is helping that. Don't think that I said fish, then daily don't consume fish. All non-vegetarians out. Then oil consumption also, groundnut, sunflower, olive oil, these all also will help in not getting the wrinkles. Yes, and fruits, the most favorite for some and not favorite, yuck for some.
For many.
Those things, yeah, those actually will fight with wrinkles, and those have more of antioxidants. And so many researchers have proved that fruits contain more antioxidant that will help for skin health. So tomato, these all they'll tell, right? DIYs, application of tomato removes pimples. Yes, it is true, you can apply that. Then berries, strawberries, eating berries, then greens, all green leafy vegetables also, it'll safeguard your skin from getting damaged. Sugar, just say no. Yeah, use this emoji. If you are not doing this, use this emoji, and a big no to sugar. Sugar, what it does, as I said yesterday, today also I am repeating that sugar will show a living or life, will give life to all bacteria or virus or toxic materials inside your body. So no sugar, and it will fasten the aging process. Sugar, dairy products, then all junk food in the sense processed and too oily, too fried, over fried, and packed items, canned items, these all will fasten your aging process. By the end of 30s only you will get bald hair or baldness for gents, and by the end of not end of 30, even 20, 25 only you started losing hair. And women all are ending up with PCOD or PCOS and overweight or thyroid. So Yes, we will see the superfoods which are very useful for maintaining your gut healthier gut, healthy body, and healthier skin. And after that, I will be speaking about how fasting and what is the relationship between fasting and skincare. Yes, the superfoods or wonder foods of spices or herbs are fennel, asafoetida or hing, basil, then cardamom or ilachi or ajwain. Some will use regularly, mostly Muslims will use, but some won't use. And cinnamon, everyone use. Clove, cinnamon, this chakka, clove is lavanga, and coriander seeds and cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds. Seeds are the most balancing supplements you can take. Yesterday, somebody had asked, we are not taking anything in required amount. How to maintain or how to balance? You take seeds. Yes, mint, mustard, then saffron, turmeric. These are all spices, wonder spices. Again, we will be posting this all things in our story, so you can note it down or list out. Or now grab a pen and paper, just write it down. Then wonder fruits. Yeah, wonder fruits are apple, apricot, avocado, banana. I made it like A B C D. We will go with that. Apple, apricot, avocado is A. Banana, blueberry. C, D and all are not there. Again, grapefruit, G. Grapefruit, grapes, guava. Then L, lime. Then M, mango. Then orange, papaya, pineapple, pomegranate, pumpkin, strawberry, sugar cane, tamarind, tomato. These all are wonder foods for health, maintaining your health of skin as well as your gut and as well as whole. If those two are maintained, your whole body will be wonderful. Then coming to vegetables, same way, asparagus, beetroot, bitter gourd, bottle gourd. All gourds are very good, but most importantly, bitter gourd and bottle gourd. Then brinjal or eggplant, then broccoli, then cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, then French beans, then garlic, then ginger, mushroom, onion, potato, radish, red pepper, means red bell pepper, that is capsicum, and spinach. Yes, these are foods, and no worries, we will give you these all list. And wonder foods in pulses. What pulses are very good for your health? Bengal gram, black-eyed bean, then chickpeas, green gram, kidney bean, lentils, and soya bean. And cereals, coming to rice, that is brown rice, then oats, that quinoa, then wheat. Yes, and dry fruits, coming to dry fruits, almonds, cashew nut, pistachio, then raisins, then walnut, and other things which will help for skin maintenance of skin and your whole body is honey and milk. Milk here, I there is a confusion in whether to take milk or not. So now researchers are going on. So don't add milk. Other than that, honey you can take. Yes, these are all superfoods. But what if you got so much of acne, pimples, blackouts, blackheads, whiteheads, and what is the just a minute? And what foods you can take or to consume, and what foods you need to avoid? Just we will have a look. Then we'll go for the relation of fasting and skin health. Yes, coming to acne or like acne is referred as you may be having pimples alone, you may be having blemishes alone, you may be having spots alone, or jits and acne lesions, lines, wrinkles, all blackheads, whiteheads, then all over the face, around the neck and upper back and the chest region. The whole is considered together as acne. Those time what happens, that time you will have hormonal imbalance also, like from mild to moderate. It depends on how severity your acne is. And during the puberty till attaining of adolescence or adulthood, you may many women see this, as well as men also see. Younger age we will see these all things, and it depends on how healthy food we take and how stressed up we are. If you are stressed up, these all things also related. Stress is again interlinked with gut and brain axis, and we have gut brain axis also. So in the interlink, not directly or indirectly, you stress is linked with acne. And what may be the causes? Everyone doesn't show single cause, right? Maybe either vitamin deficiency or iron deficiency or overactivity of your sebaceous glands, and your any bacterial infection inside the gut, any inflammation inside the gut, any like dysfunctioning or sluggish liver if it is there, or you're taking alcohol of because of hereditary factors also at homes, and taking too much of stress. And the most important thing is usage of drugs. You got pimple, you're taking some cream, cosmetic products, or you're getting headache, you take tablet. You get fever, you take tablet. These all things are not so good for your body. Don't harm yourself. And hormonal imbalances, all glucose intolerance also sometimes happens. Then smoking, gents, take care. Essential fat, not even gents, nowadays everyone are, no matter the gender, everyone are doing everything, so I won't mention anybody. And essential fatty acids deficiency, only the essential fatty acids if it is deficient. Then foods like pizza, chocolates, then fried items. You all love chips, then all salted chips or spicy chips or KFC food or chocolates. So many love chocolates, and they do. And cosmetic using this, pores will get clogged by the cosmetics. Yeah, if you're using anything, and industrial products also, like you are exposed to any products, those also, and environmental irritants like such polluted air or high humid factors. Then squeezing or pickling at the blemishes. You got pimple or anything, you just, your hand won't allow you to stay calmly, you will prick or do. And hard scrubbing of the skin, so many will apply normal natural products like sugar or something, which sugar honey they'll mix, or salt they will mix rock salt, and they will scrub more like with hard pressure, high pressure. That, so skin is very sensitive, don't do such things. And your PMS, premenstrual stress, then periods in irregularities, like and constipation, as I said. And some have food allergies and sensitivity will be there. So when you are sensitive for something and you take high amount of that, those also may cause. And contraceptive pills, so many has irregularities, so they go for pills, so that also. And symptoms, what will be there? Greasy skin, blackheads, cysts, scars, nodules, then papules, whiteheads, red or yellow spots, pimples all over the face. Then what foods exactly you need to avoid? Alcohol, butter, cheese, chips, all your favorites, coffee, then cookies, then creams, then deep fried foods, then pasta, processed grains, red meat, then sausages and soya sauce and sugar and canned products. Then ice creams. Everyone will love ice creams. Then liver. Then tea, vinegar, white breads. And tea, one more thing, more consumption of tea also makes you anemic. So make sure that you don't consume more tea. With milk. Note factor is with milk. And foods to eat. What foods you can eat? Yes. Apricots, fresh or dried, no matter. You can take avocado. Depending on the area you get avocado, you can take melons, all watermelon, muskmelon, all melons, carrots, cherries, flax seeds, grapefruits or berries, grapes. Green tea you can take. Yes. Guava and mangoes and multigrain breads or brown breads or something, oatmeals, oranges, plantain with juice also it is recommended. Then pomegranate, then salmon fish I mentioned before, salmon fish you can take. Skimmed milk or just 1% milk should be there in that. Then walnuts and, as I said, melons. Then massaging the skin with oil or intake of any juices also help in getting the fresh and clear skin. And cucumber intake, and beetroot, then carrot, then what then honey and ginger consumption also is highly recommended. Then coconut oil intake is also very good. Yes, let's speak about one thing. Live young and look young. For doing that, what you need to do? Stress-free, regular physical activity daily, then think young so that you will be youngful. Like you will be looking young. Then sleep well. These all things. And yeah, coming to fasting, yesterday someone asked like fasting whether it is helpful or not. Yes, it is highly recommended for for healthy skin. Why means as I linked with gut and skin relation. Yes, fasting helps in our body to eliminate the toxic matter from our body, so it starts rejuvenating. First main thing of fasting is, main benefit is, if you do fasting, most importantly fruit fasting, I recommend fruit fasting. You will get healthier skin and your body will eliminate soon. Then rejuvenate more, so that healing process. So why I am asking to do fast is, when you give some time to your body to heal, it itself heals. Yeah, we naturopaths, every naturopath knows that body heals itself. That was the first day of our college, starts with body itself heals. Yeah, body heals itself. So when you give sufficient time to your body, what body does? The energy will be diverted in eliminatory process. When elimination happens, like toxin matters comes out, that time again rejuvenation will start. When toxins are getting up, like out from the body, the absorption capacity will be more, and digestive power like fire will be boosted up. So once the toxins get clear, everything is clean and trim, and you will look healthy. And it actually helps in physical way as well as mental way also. You will get clarity in your mind. Mental peace also will be attained by doing fasting. And fruit fasting will boost your immune system. Like fruit fasting, what fruits does inside, it will go, it will make immune system to boost up by clearing the gut need nutrients, so we are providing nutrients in the form of foods. So what that nutrients will do, eliminative process, so antibodies will be more like produced in our body. So antibodies, what it does, it fights again any virus or bacteria or any toxins, so you get healthier skin. and how to fast and all, the main important thing is you need a guide of any naturopath doctor. Under the guidance of only naturopath and yoga doctors, you need to do fasting, not on your own. Make sure that you will take any guidance of naturopaths. And before 2 days of fasting itself, you start fixing up your mind. If you think positive, it will happen. If you think negative, it will not happen in any time. So make sure that you will fix up your mind before 2 days and start eating very less. Before 2 days, don't consume more food, and the next day you don't give any food for your body. Obviously, you will end up with all crisis. And so, make sure you take guidance from the naturopath and do fasting. Go for fasting. Now we will see what internally we saw what to be done, and externally also we'll see. Both simultaneously it should happen, internal and inside and out. So that's where you get healthier and natural skin. So with the natural process, like items, or very cost effective and minimal items, let's see what happens outside external applications also. This will be done by Dr. Anu Pallavi. So yes, carry on.
Yes, doctor, the session was very good. And yes,
Hope so.
till now
Hopefully.
we just saw the internal applications, what are we are supposed to consume. So next, coming to what are all the external applications that we'll have to do is mainly if it is external applications, people do take this cosmetics and they go for some surgeries, they use moisturizers, creams, which leads to chronic inflammation inside the body through skin, because as the skin is having that absorption function, it functions as absorber too. It affects in the other way. It causes chronic illness to skin and hormonal problems very much. So specifically coming to natural products, specifically we say we mainly use this coconut oil, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar, lemon, orange, which is much rich in vitamin A, C, B, as well as E, yogurt, honey, shea butter, cocoa butter, as well as beeswax. Sometimes we even use this vegetable glycerin as well as tea tree oil too. And I hope people have heard about this. That is what we say soap, vegetable oil soap is there, right? They use this also. So coming to the natural face cleansing things, okay, before anything, we need to cleanse our face first, okay? Then going to detoxifying or, making it brighter, we'll have to go for, cleansing technique of our face, okay? For this, the natural remover, what is that? Dirt remover. This can also be used as makeup removing also. So 2 cups of water. You'll have to prepare a solution. I'll just give you the ingredients so that you have to mix it in a bottle and shake it and use it in this way. 2 cups of water along with a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, a jojoba oil, as well as vitamin oil. All these 3 oils together mixed with distilled water or normal water. You'll have to shake it well and use it as a spray. Okay. Once when they come back, use this as a spray. It helps in cleansing the skin surface. Okay. This has to be either they can spray directly and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes and then just rinse it off. If not, they can use this tissues or paper rolls which is available. They can, marinate or just soak it for 5 to 10 minutes in this water and then cleanse their face. Okay. And in this, mainly, this lightens the brown spots, help to get the plump skin, and this is also rich in antioxidants. But if I hope this is our experience, when we say something is good, people start using it more. So we'll have to reduce it. So the thing is, when they start using more, I think in Kannada they say, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕೂಡ ವಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is what it has negative effects too. So vitamin oil, when we use it sparingly, it has beautiful effects. But in case if they are using it so much and it results, breakouts of skin, okay, they'll spoil their own skin. And coming to one more cleanser, which is soothing lavender water. Okay, to this, a cup of rose water, we are supposed to add a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin as well as six drops of lavender oil. This one also to be maintained in a bottle, or if they're preparing very less, they can use it in a spoon of rose water, 1 or 2 drops of glycerin, 2-3 drops of lavender essential oil. This must be sprayed to the face after cleansing the face. They use this cleanser and use this as a toner. Okay. So then this helps in balancing, moisturizing the skin. Okay, it also has the calming effect as it is lavender oil that we are using. Okay, so the next what we can say is one more natural cleanser is oatmeal yogurt cleanser. It is a beautiful combo, we can say. It has amazing benefits. It helps in exfoliating and hydrating. Okay, 1 cup of oats should be mixed with a half cup of yogurt. Okay, this has to be mixed well and it has to be applied. Okay, it can be applied as scrub also. Then leave it for 2 to 5 minutes and then just rinse it off. Okay, this helps in hydrating and soothing skin. It exfoliates and balances the skin too. Then coming to the very simple one, apple cider vinegar. This one acts as a toner. When mixed with distilled water, this helps in balancing the skin and maintaining it. Next, very importantly, everybody will ask anti-aging. Everybody will be waiting to, try this.
To look
So one is
younger.
anti-aging, exactly, and acne. It helps in both tea tree as well as basil toner. For this, we are supposed to add this. We have to have 1.5 cups of water, to which we are supposed to add 3 to 5 teaspoons of basil leaves, dried basil leaves, and we have to use 6 drops of tea tree oil. So this has to be boiled. This has to be boiled well and kept aside for 2 to 9 hours. Okay, then this has to be strained off and then applied. Okay, once this is done, it helps in, as I told, anti-acne. Acne comes down very soon, as well as anti-aging. Okay, this hydrates the skin too and keeps the skin bright. One more is for after having a very stressful day, refreshing cucumber toner. You are supposed to have a half cucumber along with a half cup of rose water plus a teaspoon of glycerin. Some sensitive skin might be having this, they'll be allergic to glycerin because that inflammation effects happen more. It starts burning on their skin. So for that, they may add or may not add this glycerin to this one toner. So this is a very great toner. It cools down the body also. Not only the face, it cools down the body also. It is extremely hydrating as well as refreshing. Okay. And coming to next, detoxifying. Detoxifying toner is there. That is decongestant pineapple treatment. Okay. This helps in eliminating the dead cells and decongesting the clogged pores, or dissolves the dead skins and slows down the aging process. Here, we are supposed to take a bowl of pineapple and add yogurt as well as white sugar. But we'll have to blend it. For this half cup of pineapple, what it is there, we are supposed to put that half cup of yogurt too, as well as you will have to blend it properly and add sugar. As soon as we add sugar, we are not supposed to apply it. We have to wait until the sugar, it has to dissolve in that properly. Okay, it will become little sticky. This has to be scrubbed well on the face as well as can be used like mask. This has to be on face for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, they can rinse off with a warm water. Okay. Then pumpkin puree mask. This is also a very cooling mask that people can use. This is mainly for anti-aging. Okay, all the wrinkles, what is there? This all comes down. So for a half cup of pumpkin, again, a half cup of yogurt should be mixed as well as a teaspoon of honey. If wanted, you can add extra virgin oil. All these things has to be blended as well as then the oil should be added. For this, when they, use it at night especially, before sleeping, they'll have to apply this and then rinse off and then they can sleep. It helps in anti-aging process. And one more, it is very favorite for oily skinned people. Oil reducing banana mask. Okay. You are supposed to use 1 banana and 2 tablespoons of yogurt plus half of lemon juice. This one, you'll have to smash this banana very well, add yogurt as well as half spoon of lemon juice, mix it well and add it directly on face. Okay. This has to be evenly applied and you'll have to just concentrate more on forehead, nose, chin. This we say T part of face. Okay. This is where you secrete more of oil. Okay. You're supposed to scrub there and then apply as mask. And again, let it sit for 20 minutes and then you can just take it off. This helps in, normal oil secretion will reduce, but it also helps in hydrating the skin. Okay. This can be done to any part of the body. Till now, what all I told, it is not at all just for face. It can be done to any part of the body to, skin is not only for face. Skin is all over the body, so you can maintain it. But one more body wash that you can prepare at home is what? Coconut milk hydrating body wash, where you can have a half cup of coconut milk and a teaspoon of liquefied coconut oil plus a spoon of olive oil, and as I told, the liquid Kasai soap as well as vegetable glycerin. If you want something aromas kind of thing, you can add any aroma, that is aromatic oils, which we say as lavender or strawberry or whichever they choose. Okay. So all these has to be mixed, put it in a container, shaked very well before use and kept. They can store this also. But once they are applying, before they apply, they have to shake it very well and apply. Okay. This also helps in exfoliating the dead cells on the skin, helps in hydrating the skin, as well as maintains the skin. Like anti-aging as well as acne to reduces. I think this is enough for
Didn't
today.
feel anything. Yes.
Yes.
And one more super easy is, don't think that these all oils we have to buy or most of it and these essential oils which we mentioned are a little bit costlier, and that essential oil usage also we will be mentioning in the page itself, how to mix and how to neutralize that aromas. And the super easy is, just you will have a kira or cucumber. Just grate the cucumber and all over the grated thing you apply on all over your face. Yes. That itself is a best cleanser and it tightens the skin, like whoever has saggy skin, and it is helping in open up the pores, so that your that all over the cucumber nutrients will go inside your body. And for all over the body cleanser, you can drink the cucumber juice. If not, cucumber juice you take, then add turmeric or honey. Turmeric half spoon, honey 1 spoon, and cucumber, and then water. You make it as a juice, then spray on all over your face. That will be easier. The best easier way. Don't think that these are all costlier things. You can go with natural products and eating fruits every day. Every day, minimum one fruit you need to consume. And these all recipes will of all the skincare management will be posted in our pages. One is Dr. Sri Mohan, the same page, and one is public page of Robustness via Nature, and one more is Anu dot like Anukrish dot Vidya. That one more page, and among these three pages, we will be posting all the foods, wonder foods, and as well as the recipes. Any doubts, you can DM us or ask here, and within some 2 or 3 more days we will come up with again the skincare, but book reading will be there. We will come up with beautiful books, natural way how you can care your skin. Those books are well written and on our high time, like searching for longer times, we got those books and we wanted to share with that. You can all join with us in the book reading. Within 2 or 3 days we will come up with that. Yes, done.
Let's wait for the question. Any doubts?
One question came up that I have open pores and pimples. Can you give me suggestion? From Shruti Gowda.
Yes.
Yes, whichever recipe you did for pores and pimples, you
I
can
think
just.
for this, as they have open pores as well as pimples, it is better they use this cucumber mask itself, because let it have a cooling effect, and as you told, the cucumber absorbs into the skin and makes it hydrated too, as well as cucumber grasps all the toxins which is there too. So I think it is better they use this in the morning. And for pimples, this garlic, if you can just keep garlic directly, so that if any pus kind of thing is there inside, let it just come out, so that it heals itself later. But try to have more of vegetables and fruit juices, as Dr. Vikasini told, so that
And
it heals from inside out.
yes, one more thing, garlic, if it is painful or you feel like it
Burning
irritates, means you can go with chandan, or overnight you can apply the chandan and sleep, or morning your pimple will be bursted out.
Yes.
Easy.
But please
From
don't touch
ages
it.
we are doing that at homes.
But please don't touch it and bust it out. That is our request.
Yes,
It
yes.
makes it more blacker. You get the
But
black spots outside.
before the menstrual cycle, all women getting pimples is common. Just don't think that you have some problem. Don't think that. Yes, I don't know. All are busy, I guess, and it's 9:05.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
we don't have any questions.
I hope so. Nobody is
Uh,
having any questions. So you
and
can DM us whatever the doubts you have, and we'll be
yes,
very happy to clear it out.
yes. And this will
Whatever
be
the
posted
problem.
on our
Yes.
pages as well. So stay home, stay safe, good night, pleasant sleep.
Yeah.
Catch you all
Take care.
next. Take care.
Very soon. Bye bye.
Yeah,
Good
bye
night.
bye. Bye, good night.